Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable Apple CarPlay in Toyota RAV4. Okay, so first on our panel we need to open up these settings and now find My Settings and click on the Bluetooth and devices, and now let's add another device. In here we have a quick instruction how to connect. In here with me I have my iPhone, so now I'm going to connect. Now open up your settings, find the Bluetooth settings, make sure that Bluetooth is enabled, and now click on the car multimedia. We need to connect. Okay, now in our car we need to click on OK. Same thing on our phone, click on pair. Now click on allow if you want. Okay, and now the phone asks us same thing in the car to enable the Apple CarPlay. We want to click on yes. Also on our phone we can click on connect. In here again click yes. And now our Apple CarPlay has been successfully enabled. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.